Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm doing a project share video. Again, I'm showcasing these mini folios that are inspired by Serena Be Creative, and I've put together a few of these as gifts with tea, hot chocolate, and a coffee gift card from Tim Hortons. This paper that I used for the folio I'm holding was from Pink Fresh Studio, and it was an amazing quality of paper. The weight was quite substantial and it made a real difference. It made the folio really strong and durable. So that's again the same one here. And then I've decorated it with products from October Afternoon Silent Night. It's a vintage looking collection that I've had in my stash for some time, and I've been using it up. I have a lot of Christmas products left over from previous December dailies, so I'm just using up some of those products here. This is a really pretty October Afternoon paper with the skaters tucked in behind each of the pockets, and it's really cute. I have all these winter characters peeking out, and I really like that paper in the background there. And I used a number of different products from my stash to decorate throughout all of these folios. I've used Christmas on Market Street. This one I'm holding here specifically was Oh What Fun from Simple Stories. It was a really cute Hey Santa. And then this one I did something different. Instead of having each pocket be unique, I carried the same theme along each one with the little square and the words. Just love that penguin, it's so cute. And this one I've got here coming up, I used the October Afternoon puppy, and the holiday cheer actually comes from Photo Play. Here Comes Santa Claus. That's the two collections on the cover. And then on the inside, we've used more Doodlebug stickers from an older collection, as well as some Echo Park, The Story of Christmas by Laurie Woodlock. So you can see I've pulled together quite a few Christmas collections. This is a lot of the vintage October Afternoon from Silent Night again, as well as some Christmas on Market Street. That's where the chipboard stickers came into play there. And on the inside I've added some Doodlebug stickers from previous Doodlebug collections. They're quite a bit older. So I had a lot of fun putting these together. They're really simple, and I welcome you to check out Serena's tutorial. She walks you through how to make them in a really simple, easy to explain tutorial. I appreciate you guys coming by to watch my video. If you haven't already subscribed, I welcome you to do so, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. So thanks again, and we'll see you again next time.